Hi, everyone. It's Brad. Here's a nice one from back in May where Google Sheets actually does the heavy lifting for you for organizing your data in tables. So you're going to see the ability to have a much more polished design, column types, filters, color coding, drop down menus, and much more. I'll include this link in my blog post, but let's go ahead and take a look at what it looks like. So here we have some information I used for Flippity. And I'm going to go ahead into Format, and then we're going to select Convert to Table. You can see how quickly that was done. And you can change your column type, so you can see right in here. Well, I'll do that in a second. You can also go ahead and create custom views and personalize your tables as well. So you can go ahead and let's just go ahead into this one here. You can rename the table, but if you wanted to, you could go ahead and you could sort the column instantly Z to A. You can go ahead, you can filter your columns if you want. You can go ahead with your month, your day, your headline, so on and so forth. You can even come in and create a group by view. So if you want to just do month, there you have it, month 2. So how great is this? The ability to quickly and easily make the data in your chart much more user-friendly and be able to find what you need a lot quicker and present it for others. So I definitely recommend checking this out. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.